Hello everyone, Andarki Namaskaram. Welcome back to Mugdad Studio. So hope you all are safe and sound. So this is Preeti Singh Rajput and I'm gonna show you some beautiful organza sarees and these. So these are organza sarees with work. So you can see me wearing a beautiful organza and we have this beautiful handwork here, sequence, kardana and also pearl work andi. So on the borders. And we have beautiful floral prints as well, and this is the pallu. So let me quickly show you the sarees which are on display. So it's a beautiful organza in white color andi. So this is a beautiful handwork here. We have silver zari and floral prints on it. And we have this cross line motifs on the borders with silver zari work. It's a beautiful embroidery and along with that we have floral prints. And here goes our next saree in beautiful chocolate color. And we have floral print, floral motifs and with handwork. So these are all thread work and beautiful embroidery. And we have this grey color border, cross line motifs, and look at the tassels here. So pallulo vachesi tassels kuda vachindi. And this is a green color organza. And we have this thread work, floral motifs, beautiful embroidery work you can see. And this is a lace border in white color. So work organza sarees and ivani. And this is our next saree in pink color. So we have floral prints all over the saree and border part vachesi beautiful thread work, kardana and pearl work. So very beautiful embroidery work on the borders andi. So let me quickly show you some beautiful organza sarees now. So these are really lightweight andi. So you must be having an idea about organza. So the speciality of these collections which I'm showing you is actually with a beautiful thread work and beautiful kardana work and also floral prints. And we also shipping internationally as well. We are not just shipping all over India. We do have international courier services. So here goes our next saree in beautiful off-white color. All over the saree we have floral motifs. So embroidery work ochindandi. So these are all handmade thread work, and we do have prints as well, floral prints as well. So lovely embroidery work andi. I hope you can see the design. And we have a grey color, same self border, silver zari work lo chindi. And this is the pallu. And the blouse is like this. And the price for this saree is 11,199. So next saree chuddam. So this is in pista green color. Same pattern only. We have embroidery work all over the saree. Along with that, we have beautiful floral prints as well. And small borders on both the sides. We have cross line motifs and diamond motifs with silver zari on the borders. And this is the pallu. So this is really a lovely saree. And this is the blouse. And coming to the price, this is 11,199. So next saree chuddam. So here goes another organza. So this is also a slight cream color saree. And ikkada vachesi embroidery work ochindandi with mango motifs. And along with that we have floral prints as well. And look at the borders. We have beautiful thread work here, embroidery work with floral motifs. Along with that we have lace border. And this is the pallu. So we have that beautiful embroidery work on the pallu as well. And the blouse we have is like this. So blouse lo kuda we have lace work andi. So the price for this saree vachesi 11,999. So next saree chusedam. So this is a cream color saree again. And ikkada border side lo vachesi, so look at this border side, you have peacock motifs with embroidery work andi. And we have beautiful lace, and this side we have floral prints. And this is the pallu. So we have this embroidery work, same peacock work andi. Peacock motifs lo embroidery work ochindi. And blouse vachesi, this is the blouse. We have a brocade blouse. And coming to the price of this saree, it is 11,199. So here goes our next saree in lighter shade of cream color. And here all over the saree we have floral motifs, thread work anamata. Thread work lo floral motifs ochindandi. Along with that we have beautiful floral prints. So very unique saree andi, and we have a lace border on both the sides. And this is the pallu. And the blouse is like this, along with the lace. Beautiful saree, and the price of chesi 10,599. So this is a pista green color saree. Same pattern andi. Ikkada we have floral prints this side, and on the border part we have this beautiful embroidery work, and we have a lace border this part, and even on this side. Lovely color and vibrant work on it. And this is the pallu. And the blouse, let me show you the blouse. So this is how the blouse is. We have beautiful floral prints. Along with that, we have a lace border. And coming to the price, this saree is 14,399. So here goes our next saree in beautiful yellow color. And ikkada all over the saree floral prints vachindandi. The beautiful vibrant colors lo floral prints vachindi. And lace border vachindandi on both the sides. And this is the pallu. So look at this embroidery work, full heavy embroidery work, hand work on the pallu part. And the blouse looks like this. We have embroidery work on the blouse as well. And the price for this saree is 12,799. So let me show you the next saree. The blue color shade saree, lighter shade blue. And we have floral prints in blue and the darker shade of blue. So all over the saree we have leaf prints and matter. And floral prints as well. And we have borders like this, embroidery work ochindi, and also golden work ochindandi, and a lace border. So lace border on both the sides. And this is the look of the pallu. So every organza saree has its own beauty. This is the and this is the blouse. And the price for this saree vachesi 12,799. So next saree in cream color, and we have full embroidery work, floral motifs all over the saree. Creeper motifs vachindi. So you can see this beautiful thread work and lace vachindandi the border side. And this is the pallu. And the blouse is like this. Lace kuda vachindi on the blouse. And the price for this saree is 9,599. This is our next saree, beautiful cream color. And here we have got full hand work. Floral motifs here, embroidery work vachindandi, floral motifs. And even on the borders we have this white thread work. Also golden thread work. You see the details here, and details of the flower. Pure resham work and flowers. And this is the pallu. And blouse vachesi, this is how the blouse is. And the price for this saree is 14,399. This is our next saree in lighter shade of blue color. Full embroidery work, thread work, resham thread with floral motifs all over the saree. And we have borders like this. Cross-line motifs with silver zari and self work also. And this is the pallu andi. We have those colorful tassels on the pallu. And the blouse is like this. And the price for this saree is 14,399. So next saree to sit down. So before that, this is the contact number only for placing the orders. So quickly take a screenshot of your favorite saree and send it to us on this WhatsApp number, and our sales team will respond to you and assist you for processing your orders. And these are the Google Pay numbers so that you can make the payment online. Please take a screenshot of this information and keep it handy. It's very helpful for you to place the order. And we also have international courier services. We are not just shipping all over India. So without taking out any more time, let me show you the next sari. This is a beautiful light peach color sari indeed. And we have floral prints as well along with this embroidery work. So ikkada golden zarilo embroidery work ochindandi. And we have borders, cross line motifs, silver zari work lo. And this is the pallu. You can see beautiful tassels on the pallu. And the blouse is like this. And the price for this sari is 12,599. Next sari చూసేద్దాం. This is in pale yellow color. And we have full embroidery work and the golden zarilo, silver zarilo chindi. And we also have floral prints. And we have a self border, cross line motifs with silver zari. And this is the pallu. We have beautiful tassels on the pallu. And the blouse is like this. With border. Plain organza blouse with border ochindandi. And coming to the price of this sari. This sari is 11,399. Next sari is a beautiful light shade of sky blue color. And sari lo chesi we have floral prints and borders వచ్చేసి heavy embroidery work వచ్చింది. So we have sequins, kardana and thread work. So these are hand work and I hope you can see them. So we have work on the borders and floral prints on the sari. And this is the pallu part. And the blouse seems to be interesting. Let me show you the blouse. Wow, this is the blouse only for this sari. We've given the complete design here so that you can stitch it accordingly. And the price for this sari ochesi 13,800. Next sari is in beautiful yellow color. And all over the sari we have this pearl work and pearls with the stitches and along with that we have floral prints on it. And borders వచ్చేసి heavy work వచ్చిందండి. We have kardana, sequins and stone work and pearl work on it on both the sides. And the pallu is like this. And the blouse is like this. Very beautiful blouse pieces. And the price for this sari is 9,899. Next is in lighter shade of sky blue color. And same pattern only like all over the sari we have floral prints. And border lo heavy work ochindandi. We have kardana, pearl work and sequins. And look at the cut work also here. So we have beautiful hand work on the borders. And the pallu is like this. And look at the blouse is like this. And the price for this sari is 9,899. Here goes our next sari. Beautiful yellow color lo chindi and we have floral prints all over the sari. Sari part lo floral prints ochindi and border vachesi same work andi. We have heavy work, cut work, kardana, thread work, sequins. And this is the pallu. And the blouse is like this. Beautiful work and hand work, kardana, stone work, pearl work ochindi. And the price for this sari is 13,800. So next sari chupistanu. This is a lighter shade of grey color. Very beautiful color. And we have floral prints on it. And someone who's looking for a very light color, simple sari. So this is the collection. So you should go for this, Andy. And this is a beautiful handwork sequence kardana on the borders, heavy work on the borders, and this is the pallu. And the blouse looks like this. We have this embroidery work here as well, so that you can use it wherever you need it when you design your blouse. And coming to the price, this is 9,899. And next sari is in beautiful lighter shade of blue color, and here we have embroidery work, resham work, floral motifs, leaves. You can see beautiful work on this sari. So I have shown a previous sari like this in the display, and we have khadi borders, diamond motifs on the borders, silver zari work low, same borders on both the sides, and this is the pallu. We have those beautiful tassels on the pallu, and blouse with chesi. This is how they have given the blouse. And the price for this sari is 15,799. So I'm going to show you similar pattern saris in colors now. So this is the next sari in lighter shade of cream color. So we have the same embroidery work all over the sari, floral motifs, leaf motifs. We have this diamond motifs on the border, silver zari work low. And we have this finishing here in pink and yellow. And this is the pallu, the look of the pallu. We have those beautiful tassels here. And the blouse is like this. And the price for this sari would chesi 15,799. So this is important green color. And green look, we have this embroidery work, same floral work. So this is a different design, I think flowers with chasing. You can see beautiful thread work here. Pink, green leaves, red flowers. So very heavy thread work, embroidery work, and border with chasey. We have this khadi borders on both the sides. And this is the pallu. We have these beautiful tassels on the pallu. And the blouse is like this. And the price for this sari or chasey 17,099. So we have all single pieces, Sandy. So all the beautiful ladies, quickly take a screenshot of your favorite sari and send it to us on this number. And our sales team will respond to you for placing your orders, for processing your orders. And we mentioned the Google Pay numbers here. And we do have international courier services as well. We are not just shipping all over India. So without taking any more time, let me show you the next sari. It's a beautiful pink color sari, Andy. So same embroidery work with chindi kind of floral motifs, designed by Chindandi. You can see the details. Beautiful work here. And khadi borders on both the sides. And this is the pallu. We have colorful tassels on this pallu. And the blouse is like this. And the price for this sari is 12,199. So here goes our next sari in beautiful yellow color and embroidery work, chusnor kada and the bag embroidery work in charu. So it's a beautiful pink color and green leaves and mata. And we have this bottle green color border. Wow, what a combination! And along with golden border. Zigzag motifs on the border that side, and this side we have a golden workflow. We have diamond motifs, and this is the pallu. And this is the blouse, indeed. And the price of this sari is 14,699. Next sari, Chusita. This is in darker shade of dark navy blue color sari, and look at this embroidery work here. We have resham, pure resham thread work, floral motifs. Along with that, we have golden work also. and 30 borders on both the sides. And this is the pallu. We have beautiful tassels on the pallu. And the blouse is like this. And the price for this saree is 15,999. So we have all single pieces and this is the last saree from our beautiful organza, work organza collection. The pale yellow, very lighter shade of yellow color. And we have beautiful floral motifs, kardana, sequins or chindi, and also floral prints. So you can see this work and very beautiful handwork and cut borders both the sides. Floral prints here as well. And this is the pallu. So these are all beautiful handwork on the saree and so organza saree lo chalu baga design icharu. And this is the blouse. We also have the stone work on the blouse as well and it's not a plain blouse, okay? So we have this beautiful stone work on the blouse as well. And coming to the price, it's 12,599. So quickly order. This is the contact number. Take a screenshot of your favorite saree and send it to us. And we have mentioned the Google Pay numbers as well so that you can make the payment online. And we also have international courier services. So that's all for now from beautiful organza collection with beautiful handmade work on it. And I will soon get back to you with another collection. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye-bye.